Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable Google Safe Search in Google Chrome. Now what we need to do, navigate to the Google search settings or go to google.com. So it's the same here on the PC or on Android phone. So what we need to do is we can type directly in google.com/preferences, click on that, and here we are in Google search settings. Now we need to navigate to the safe search. So here, safe search, filter, and what we can do here is select filter, help filter out explicit images, text, and links. Blur, help blur explicit images, but explicit text and links may show. And off, show all relevant results even if they are explicit. We have also here more about safe search. And yeah, this is how we can enable Google Safe Search. Also in the Google app, what you can do is you will find this Google Safe Search under the profile picture in this Google app under the settings. So yeah, this is pretty much everything that we can do about Safe Search. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.